Good morning, all of you. My name is Rajnish Kumar Sharma. Today I discuss this topic, a computer system. A computer system can be considered as the combination of hardware and software which process data to convert it into a meaningful information. So today your topic hardware and software. So firstly I discuss first topic hardware. Basically, we know hardware is the physical components of the computer system. Okay, we can see and touch. This type of the device is called the hardware component of the computer system. So here hardware refers to all the physical components of a computer system. It includes all input devices, processing devices, storage devices and output devices. So hardware components included this type of the devices. First, input devices, processing devices, storage devices and output devices. Full stop. The motherboard, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer and the IC. IC means integrated circuit are the example of the hardware. Full stop. The CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is the most important processing device which is a part of the hardware. So here we can see and touch these type of the devices is called the hardware components of the computer system. All input devices, processing devices, output devices, etc. And second, motherboard. Motherboard is a very essential part of a computer system. It is a PCB. PCB means printed circuit board, which holds together many critical and important components of a computer. So here PCB means printed circuit board. These includes memory, the CPU, Central Processing Unit, and connectors for input and output devices. You see the CPU, back side of the CPU see the USB port. Here you test the input and output devices with computer system. The motherboard is made of an insulated rigid plastic sheet. Thin layer of copper or aluminum are printed on this sheet. Full stop. These printed layers are also called traces. These printed layers are also called the traces. Full stop. The motherboard also has a number of slots and sockets to connect to other components. Okay. So here we want to connect the any hardware components and output devices, so we use the USB port. USB means universal serial bus. So back side of the CPU see the USB port. Here you attach the input and output. Say you want to attach the keyboard. Okay, so you attach the keyboard USB port to the CPU USB port. So here you want to connect the any or all hardware components to the computer to use the USB port. And then software. Software is a set of program which control the internal operations of a computer and instruct a computer what to do. For example, Unix, MS Word, MS Excel, PC package means MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Software is of two types: system software and application software. And next topic, operating system. Operating system is the most important software of the computer system. Every general purpose computer needs an OS to run application and program. So here we want to run the application and program. So first we use the operating system. So with the help of the operating system to run the application and program. So OS is the very important software of the computer system. The OS perform basic tasks like understanding input from the keyboard and sending output to the display screen. So here we want to input the data to the computer system, so we use the keyboard device, but we want to show the output, so we use the screen. Okay, so here input from the keyboard and sending output to the display screen. Full stop. It keeps track of directories and files on storage devices and even controls the peripheral devices like printers, scanners, etc. Unix, Linux, Windows, and Android are the sum of the popular operating system. So these are operating system: Unix, Linux, Mac, Windows, and Android are the sum of the most important popular operating system. The user interface of an operating system can be text based or graphic based. Most modern operating systems have a GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. You see the icon. You see the icon on the desktop. This type of the operating system is called the GUI based. Okay, which displays images and pictures that enable you to internet with the computer. Okay, so here you operate the computer system with the help of the pictures and graphics. This type of the operating system is called the GUI based operating system. GUI based means graphical user interface. And next topic, functions of a computer. A computer accepts the data given by the user. This is called the input. Processing the data according to a given set of instructions. This operation is called the processing. And third is storage data. This is called the storage. And given the desired result according to the user requirement, this is called the output. So here you see the function of a computer. The four most important part of a function of a computer: first, input, processing, storage, and output. Input means we want to enter the record to the computer to be use the input devices, and processing means we want to process the data to be use the processing device, use the CPU. Storage means we want to store the information to be use the storage devices. Output means we want to show the result to be use the output devices. So here first, input. A computer accepts the input given by the user. It can be in the form of the instruction of or data. The instruction is also called the commands are given to the computer to operate the data. Full stop. It could be a single command to do a task or a set of instructions to perform a series of steps. The set of instructions is called the program. So here your definition of the program: the set of instruction is called the program, and set of the program is called the software. Okay, processing means the process of converting unorganized data into meaningful information according to the user instruction is called the processing. So processing means the process of converting unorganized data into meaningful information according to the user instruction is called the processing. Third, storage and retrieval. Input is stored in the memory of a computer. It can be retrieved whenever required. Okay, तो आप इस कंप्यूटर में कभी भी अपने भी किसी भी फाइल को आप कभी भी वहाँ से एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो 10 डेज हो, चाहे वो 1 ईयर या 2 ईयर हो। आप कभी भी अगर आपकी फ़ाइल कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में सेव है तो आप कभी भी इसको रिट्रीव कर सकते हैं। एंड 4 पॉइंट आउटपुट, द फाइनल रिजल्ट और आउटपुट अवेलेबल टू द यूजर आइदर ऑन द मॉनिटर is called the soft copy. जैसे you want to show the result on the computer या computer screen, this type of the output is called the soft copy. But you want to show the result on the paper with the help of the printer, this type of the output is called the hard copy. So here you show the result on the monitor, this type of the output is called the soft copy. Or as a printout, hard copy is known as output. So here monitor show the output, this type of the output is called the soft copy, and print out output is called the hard copy. Okay, here situation, input, process and output. Here you see the chart, a car running on a road. जैसे आप चाहते हैं कि कोई भी कार रोड पे चले तो उसके लिए फर्स्ट यू इनपुट द पेट्रोल और डीजल। सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, पेट्रोल या डीजल को गाड़ी में या कार में डलवाएंगे। एंड देन प्रोसेस, इंजन स्टार्ट वर्किंग विद द हेड ऑफ पेट्रोल। जब तक आपकी कार में पेट्रोल या डीजल नहीं होगा तब तक आपका प्रोसेस या इंजन स्टार्ट नहीं होगा। एंड आउटपुट्स का क्या होगा, कार स्टार्ट रनिंग। ओके, एंड सेकेंड, कॉलिंग अ पर्सन ऑन फोन to dial the telephone number of a person, this is input. Establishment of connection and ringing of bell, this is process. And communication between two person, this is called the output. So here you see the chart how to input, process and output. Withdrawal of money from ATM. तो फर्स्ट you insert of ATM card to ATM machine, and ATM machine processing of card in ATM machine, collection of money, and then you collection of money. जैसे आपको पैसा निकालना हो ATM मशीन से तो पहले आप अपने ATM कार्ड को निकालेंगे, उसके बाद उसको इंसर्ट करेंगे कहाँ पर, ATM मशीन में। उसके बाद वहाँ से आप क्या करेंगे, पैसे को एक्सेस करेंगे। तो जो आपका ATM हो गया वो आपका क्या हो गया, इनपुट हो गया, और ATM मशीन आपका क्या हो गया, प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइस हो गई, और जो आपका पैसा मिला आपको वो आपका क्या हो गया, आउटपुट। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।